everyone. I am a team member from Artha, and I'm here to explain you and guide you how our project, the real-time ISL translator works. Let's begin. Here we have two parties. The first party is for the normal people, and the second party is for the specially abled people who can't be able to communicate with us due to their hearing impairment. This is a brief idea of how our system is going to work. It is taking the speech, it will be converting it to text, and it will be giving us image gestures. And vice versa, if a specially abled person wants to communicate with a normal person, he can show gesture. It will be internally converted to text, and this beauty is going to convert that text to speech. We are able to achieve it via machine learning and advanced artificial intelligence techniques. So let's start with explaining how these things work. Firstly, let's get this spatially able person thingy. Firstly, we are using a CNN model and we are taking data set from Kaggle and various other sources. And from there, we are training our model and we are getting a CNN model. Similarly, we are using a speech recognition library to convert our speech to text and text to speech. I hope I am clear on a basic level, and we are integrating both these models to our graphical user interface so that both the communities can translate their things and able to communicate simultaneously on a real-time manner. Let's jump to our coding part. This is for our speech recognition model. Here, this part is for text to speech. Let's start.
Enter text to be spoken.
Okay, now this is where our speech to text conversion works. Have I just edited some kind of syntax? Line 4. Okay, let's start. I will be pressing continue to speak. Hello, I am Shubham. How are you?
Hello, I am Shubham. How are you?
See, this is how speech to text works. So I will be escaping from here.
Goodbye.
Okay, thank you. Let's jump to our CNN model. This is our CNN model, and I hope you can see this as our data set, alphanumeric images. We have collected this data set from Kaggle itself. It is an open source website for online coding and dataset collections. Okay, so these are our file paths, or we can say these are our Python libraries that we have used. This is how we have collected our file path. This is how we are doing our pre-processing and data generation, training, and validations. And let me elaborate this data set. We are taking 0 to 9 and A to Z, each having thousands of images per character. This thousands of images will be trained and trained by our CNN model to get us a gesture recognition model. As you can see with this output, we have got 36 classes of from which 28,800 images will be going for training purposes and 7,200 images will be going for testing purposes. We have used a ratio of 8 is to 2, from which 80% of our images will be for training and 20% of our images will be for testing. And by our sequential models, this is our sequential model, that CNN model. Here is all its outputs and pre-processing data. You can see here, we have taken up to 50 epoch trainings, which was computationally expensive, but we were able to manage it before time. Now, we got a validation accuracy of up to 60.67%, which will be increased by increasing the epoch values. But currently, we were able to achieve this much steps. Now, getting back to our model, this is how we saved our model, gesture recognition model.h5. You can see this is here, present over here. Now, getting back to our GUI thing that we have shown you. This is our GUI model. Let me restart this kernel again. Clear all the cell outputs. Before that, we have also used our training purposes. We have increased our heuristic values, and to get most out of our data set, we have used some other filters also. These are some of the filters that we have used so that we can extract more feature out of these images. Here you can see we have used gray, blur, edge, and black and white filters to get the most out of our images. So ignore this part. Let's jump to our GUI model. These are the libraries that we have used for GUI. This is where we have imported our model, and here we have imported our speech recognition model also. So let's start by showing how this thing works. Start. It may take some time. Okay, it was very quick. Let's start by speaking. Hello, I am Shubham. How are you? I hope you are fine.
Hello, I am Shubham. How are you?
Now, this is where the beauty begins. Here you can see our image, our model just converted our speech to gestures. This is HELLO. Hello, I am Shubham. How are you? I hope this is clear to you. Let's convert gesture to speech. And this is how it will be working.
Predicted gesture 20.
Exactly. That's the correct answer provided by our system. I hope my video was clear and precise and to the point, and I hope you guys don't have any other doubts. And with that, thank you everyone for watching this video.